I want to make it a cookie making company. Like, who will buy your product? Like it is so clean. People don't want that type of.
Hello everybody, welcome to Business Saga, a show about entrepreneurs, their journey and how they build their businesses. I'm Shivika Jain, your host for this show. Today we have with us someone jiske products are a staple at my house. We have Arpita Patel, the founder and owner of Ancient Roots. So hello, how are you?
I'm good, Shivika. How are you?
I'm doing great. So to begin with, what was your journey? What was your inspiration to start Ancient Roots?
So my journey is of like my own weight loss journey. And like before 4 years, I had a time when I had a miscarriage due to overweight, and I lost my father due to diabetes. So the whole year was like I started introspecting in myself what I am doing, what type of life I am living. So with that, I lost weight. I started studying about nutrition, and then with that, I didn't wanted to practice as a dietitian because I wanted to do any business that I can scale up and reach a product which can reach to consumers.
Right.
So with that, I developed few products. I started it from home, and as I had told you, I wanted to do scale up. So with that, I started a small setup at Changodar.
Okay.
Yeah, and at that time we had few premixes only.
तो आप उससे पहले क्या करती थी?
उससे पहले मैं एकदम proper housewife थी. I have 2 kids, so I was managing them, and I was at home only.
So how have you seen the market develop in the past 4 years? क्या changes आए हैं? Are people more leaned towards healthy foods? What is the dynamics?
So lockdown has plays a major role where people have started looking into themselves. Like people have understood that money is not going to buy everything. So that is the time when we are even started looking for health. We have started giving importance to ingredients. So when it comes to packaged food, the consumer is getting more aware day by day. There is an importance of clean label food. So every consumer, even with the social media and Instagram, you see now packaged foods reading labels are given too much of importance, which was there in like outside India, but now in India also it has started.
तो अगर एक home built brand है, so why did you set up the factory and not stick to really selling it from your home? What made you really take the risk, go out, set up your manufacturing plant and start?
So I wanted to make it a worldwide brand. So when you have to scale up and when you have to take things on a bigger level, you have to step out. You cannot be a home-based, homegrown. Yeah, for the confidence, for the testing of the product, you can definitely start. Anything is always a seed before it grows into a big tree, right? So, but that vision, that determination should always be there. So there would be many home-based brands who can scale up. They have good products, but some wants to grow it, like be in that. That is also fine. I wanted to grow it in a pan-India brand. So that is also, so that was my dream, my vision. So I took it that way.
What were the barriers you faced when you started?
So the barrier was from my home only.
Okay.
So when I was doing something in the space called clean label, so everybody used to tell me, you make a product which has, so much of indulgence when it comes to, like sugar, when it comes to maida, when it comes to palm oil. So even my husband used to tell me, people won't accept this type of products. They want to eat, like full of the biscuits and everything which has full of
Everyone wants that leisure when it comes to food.
Yes. So they were initial level, they were like, who will buy your product? Like it is so clean. People don't want that type of things. But my one thing was very clear from day one. The things which I don't eat, or I won't sell that product because I won't have conviction for selling that product. So that should be something from inside which I should love it, and then only I want to sell it.
Right. The packaging of your products is pretty different compared to other brands producing similar products. They have more conventional packaging, but aapki packaging I feel like is more functional. Like if we even look at this right now, it has bright colors, a person will go into the store and lightly pick this up. So if we look at the products, they are vacuumed from inside. So what inspired you to really vacuum the products? And develop this
So
packaging?
when we say clean label, so we are not using any preservatives, right?
Right.
So that is why we have done vacuum packaging where the moisture won't enter inside.
Okay.
So that is why without any preservatives, we are giving a 9-month shelf life.
Okay.
So that is the main reason. So when you have to make a product and when you have to sell it commercially and you want to give shelf life, you can only play in two things. Either you have to play in ingredients or either you have to play in packaging. So we want to make it a clean label brand, so we are playing with the packaging, so we are not using any preservatives in the product.
That's a very smart way of doing
Yeah.
this. Are there any other ways that you use to make sure that your products stay fresh?
So the vacuum is the best way to make the products feel fresh. So once you taste it, you will get to know about it, how fresh it feels.
So मैंने तो बहुत बार खाया है ये, like हमारे घर पे ancient roots is like always there. We always have stock of this at home. How do you really procure raw materials?
So raw materials, different ingredients come from different channels.
Okay.
Like if we mainly we are using jaggery. So jaggery has a very distinctive taste also. That is why our cookies are slightly different from what you get in the market because of the jaggery. And the name Ancient Roots, we have kept the name Ancient Roots on that purpose only because we are using all the ancient ingredients in the modern palette.
Okay.
So even the cookies are inspired by my mother-in-law who makes sukhdi. So you will get a feel of that. Okay. So this like raw materials what you asked. So few are there from Ahmedabad, few the butter is from Mehsana. So there's a different places from where we get the raw materials.
So they're sourced locally.
Source few locally, few from south, like all from India, different parts of India,
Achha.
but certified ingredients.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Does that help you maintain good quality? So you
Yes.
have to ensure that एक ही जगह से हर बार आ रहे हैं.
So 2-3
और
वेंडर्स फिक्स होते हैं. अगर
ठीक
एक
है.
के पास नहीं है तो दूसरे के पास हो, तो वो 2-3 वेंडर्स हमारे फिक्स है जिसके पास से हमेशा वी गेट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स.
Okay. What all distribution channels do you use? Since आप raw materials different parts of India से source करते हैं, आपकी cookies after they're produced or different products, what are the distribution channels that you use?
So right now we are selling in the general trade market. That is a retailer and distributor model. That's a old style method. And the other sales what we are doing is through online also. And the another vertical we do B2B also. So where we do private labeling for other company also.
Achha, so you work like a warehouse also for different brands.
Not exactly warehouse, but we do manufacture for them. So like
Okay.
if you have eaten the cookies in Wagh Bakri cafes, that is manufactured by Ancient Roots.
Oh.
So there are a few other brands also from like whom we are doing private labeling. And one more USP which we have, like this, all the ingredients what I am saying, maida, sugar and palm oil, is not allowed in our factory also. So we don't do B2B with the other ingredients for others also.
Achha.
What we don't make for us, we are not making it for others also.
So you stick to your products so you just change the labeling for other
ingredients. We are flexible with changing the ingredients which are clean label. So if you ask me कि I have proportion of jowar more, you'd ask me कि I want to put ragi more, we are okay with that.
Okay.
We are okay with the, but no sugar, no maida, no palm oil. Rest others, if you want, we can do alteration and we can make.
How do you replace palm oil? What do you use?
So we are using white butter.
Okay. Which distribution channel has worked out the best for you?
So I feel general trade market is where your product should be there. You get an exact feel, how many times a consumer is coming and buying to your, like your product. So where the retailers interact with the consumers, so they get the exact feedback, like how the acceptability of the product is.
Right.
Online is a lot of impulsive buying, like people are scrolling, they like your website or they like your packaging. But again, the importance is how the customers are coming repeatedly to buy your products. There is where you can exactly figure out. So I also started with many products, but I stick to what is selling. So in your journey, in your vision, like people a lot of times say, like when you start your business, you should vision it where you are going to take it and everything. But I feel like your first step is only important. Pehle din se you are not going to get the vision where you are going to take it. Then if few products comes, few products you have to delete it. You know, maybe the
Right.
product you love it, but still it is not acceptable in the market. So that is
So
there.
customer feedback is very important.
Yeah, very important.
जो चल रहा है उसके हिसाब से
Yes, yes. उसमें भी constant improve करना, everything from the packaging to the product, everything.
Right. What about channels like Amazon, Flipkart, जहाँ पे अभी बहुत trending हो रहे हैं ऐसे products? So do you use that also?
Yes, Amazon. So you have to be there on Amazon.
Well, the staple.
Yeah. So Amazon, but we are doing good sales for our own website also.
Okay. And what is really done with expired products? ये हर जने का question होता है whenever they see a food brand कि आपके जो products expire हो जाते हैं उनका क्या करते हैं?
So पहले तो हम ट्राई करते हैं कि एक्सपायर ना हो. जैसे अगर स्टोर में वी हैव जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर है तो उसके अंदर जो सेल्स ऑफिसर होता है उसको एवरी मंथ के लास्ट वीक में दे हैव टू पुट कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट में 2 months की शेल्फ लाइफ पड़ी है.
Okay.
तो उनको डालना होता है. सो वी ट्राई टू रन ऑफर ऑन दैट. इन केस उसके बाद भी नहीं वर्क करता है और लास्ट में सिर्फ अगर 1 month रह जाता है तो वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट to the like poor people or somewhere like that. Yeah, we do a lot of CSR activities kind of thing. I put that in my social media also.
Okay.
And in any case अगर हो जाता है पूरा एक्सपायर तो फिर तो वो सेल्स ऑफिसर को उसको पूरा डिस्कार्ड करना पड़ता है. एक पैकेट को तोड़कर they have to throw it.
So do you plan on exploring channels like exporting in foreign markets?
Yeah, so we are doing private labeling for other brands which I'm saying they are exporting also, and we are obviously looking for opportunity for our own brand. If I get a direct sale, we have just got the license of US FDA, so we will be doing that soon.
Nice. What methods of advertising have you used and what do you think appeals your target market the most?
So we are doing right now online and offline marketing both. Offline में we are doing campaigns and online में तो through content we are promoting our different reels and everything. So that is working. So in a way online marketing and offline I have also started 2 to 3 months back.
Okay.
So online is doing great. Like people know about the brand. At least I feel a 360-degree approach is what it is needed. So where people see your brand offline, they see online, so they get more. They see on Amazon, so everywhere they get a trust on your brand. It is there everywhere.
I have seen a lot of your products being sampled in local stores. How important do you think that is?
So see, sampling is very important when like I don't have a brand ambassador or not an actor or actress who is eating the product, so people will have a FOMO, like oh this this actor or actress is saying I really need to buy. So for that I think that this is a very good way of marketing where people will come to the store, the promoter will ask them to try the product and they will get an exact feel. I'm on social media, I'm saying my product is good, we don't use anything, but you need to try it once. So that is the way where the sampling works.
Okay. So social media आपके लिए बहुत important चीज़ है.
Yes, very important.
But you've recently developed it.
Yeah, 2 months back.
Okay. And when you're developing new products, तो आपका क्या procedure रहता है?
So new products का है ना कैसे it is a R&D जो टीम होती है वो पूरे राउंड द ईयर ही ट्रायल्स एंड वो लेती रहती है. इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग कि वो प्रोसेस कभी रुक ही नहीं सकता. वेदर वी गो टू एनी एग्जीबिशन, वेदर वी गो टू एनी मार्केट और एनीथिंग, वी सी एनी प्रोडक्ट और एनीथिंग, वी गेट इट, then we try to make it in with the clean label ingredients. So that process is constant process. Yeah.
Customer loyalty is very important when it comes to these kind of products. A person would really have chai biscuit every day, तो आप कैसे ensure करते हैं कि the person comes and buys the products every month and consumes them on a daily basis?
So we try to remember, like that's what I told, like through social media also, we do email marketing also, we do WhatsApp marketing also. So लोगों को बारी बारी याद दिलाना तो ज़रूरी है. So we run campaigns also. कुछ ना कुछ activity चालू रहती है कि they come to us again and again.
What kind of campaigns do you use?
So before few days we did a campaign called पेट है डस्टबिन नहीं, where we have like canopy where promoters are standing. You give any unhealthy ingredient product with a maida, sugar or palm oil, and in exchange we give you a healthy product. So that was the campaign which we did last 15 days back.
So how did you run it?
So
logistics क्या था?
उसकी लॉजिस्टिक में उसके लिए जैसे वी रन इन ओनली in Ahmedabad only because there is where we can monitor the thing, but
Right.
that we will do soon in other cities also where the product are available in the general trade market. So there was like canopy and there was like 4 promoters which were standing in different areas, and there was like timings in the morning. People used to come and exchange the product and take a healthy product in.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice. Okay, so what is the process of developing new products and what role does your R&D team play in this?
So developing new products is a constant process.
Okay.
We don't stop anytime. So whenever we go to the retail market or whenever we do exhibitions or anything, any new product is there in the market, or even with our own cookies, we try to develop new cookies. So we are also coming up with 3 new flavors also.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Would you like
that,
to reveal what they are?
no, that's social media.
Surprise.
Yeah. So sometimes this is just like few days left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are your other future plans except just cookies, जैसे dry snacks and वो सब का?
So right now though we are focusing on cookies only, and we want Ancient Fruits to become a cookie making brand. So we'll
Okay.
develop more cookies based on that.
Right.
But maybe 5 years down the line we'll think of something else. Yeah.
So, except cookies, what do you think is something that you would potentially want to work on?
So snacks are there, but that's what I told. I don't want to lose my focus.
Okay.
But I want to make it a cookie making company. Once I reach there, when they they have to think of a cookie, when Ancient Fruit comes to their mind, that's the only brand that comes to their mind, then I will think of something else. First I reach where I want to be, and then I can think of other things.
Right. तो आप अपनी philosophy of healthy eating, clean eating अपने workers पे कैसे implement करते हैं? How do you create this collective workspace?
So वैसे किसी को कोई चीज़ की रोक टोक तो है नहीं. We cannot stop anyone. Even I am not able to stop my kids also, so it is not going to be there. But yeah, awareness and be mindful in whatever you do. So even if I am a consumer, it is not something I won't eat anytime junk food or anything. But that I should know when and where I need to stop. Every day you cannot
Right.
do something, right? So like pleasure and pain, so दोनों का balance होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. The same applies in food also. You should be mindful in whatever you eat. But we do a lot of trainings for our employees.
Okay.
So where we train about the product. So the vision and mission what we are into, making a clean label space. So they should be aligned with us. Then only together as a team will be able to reach where we want to. And the language of everyone in the company should be similar.
Right.
What are we promoting?
Everyone should be focused
Yes.
towards the same goal.
Yes.
तो आपने भी अपनी जर्नी चालू करी थी एज अ होम मेकर एंड नाउ इट इज़ अ वेरी renowned ब्रांड इन गुजरात एंड ऑल ओवर इंडिया. तो व्हाट एडवाइस वुड यू गिव टू होम मेकर्स हु रियली वांट टू गेट आउट देयर, डू समथिंग ऑफ देयर ओन, बट उनको courage नहीं आ रहा to do so, or they're not getting inspired? Like if you had to inspire them, what would you say?
So see, there should be a dream which doesn't let you sleep. And if it is there, then make it happen. You cannot just stick at one place and thinking I am not getting this, I am not getting this. So there will be problems everywhere. So if you have something which is not letting you sleep, you have to go out and make it happen. And it is not necessarily out, you have to go out only. There are so many things which you can start. When you have that dream, others will get aligned to your dream. Whether it is your husband, whether it is your kids, whether it is your mother-in-law, or whether it is your mom, parents, everything. But they should have that confidence, यार ये इसको सोने नहीं दे रहा है. So that is where things will work in your favor.
And how do you maintain a good work-life balance? कि घर भी संभालना, even your kids and even Ancient Fruits.
So life में कुछ भी balance तो होता ही नहीं है. So everywhere you are missing out on something or the other. इधर हो तो kids भी miss हो रहे हैं, उधर हो तो work miss हो रहा है. So I don't find or I don't think कि there is anything called balance. हम कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो miss out कर ही रहे हैं. And imbalance भी थोड़ा तो होना ही चाहिए. Then only you will realize where you are, where you want to go exactly. So I feel there is no balance in. I think you just select at the priority, you select your battles. That's it.
So work-life balance is a myth.
Yes, there is no balance. Even when you are enjoying, when you are traveling, you will miss out on family also, you will miss out on work also. So
And even financial independence plays a big role when a homemaker goes out and starts her own business. So how has that changed for you? How financially independent do you feel?
So for me, the one thing which was in my favor, like I am the single child of my parents, so I had enough funds to start my own without taking any help from anyone. So I was independent in making my decisions. So while the company is still bootstrapped, managing finances is always a challenge. But I feel everything you cannot forecast. Like
Right.
you have to take one step, then the other steps. Otherwise पहले दिन से ही if we think कि भाई उधर पहुंचने के लिए ये सब चाहिएगा, then you will be down यार कि कैसे how will we take
So
things.
you just gotta take the leap and start.
Yes. Then once one door opens, another door opens. So you just have to start with that thing. And obviously, financial independence is not only about starting your own work. I've always felt, and before I was not taking, like any woman should know about, like how, where is you have a bank account, you manage your own, where your insurance is, where, like everything. So otherwise what happens all of a sudden is what I feel, okay, after 40-50 anything happens in family, your husband is no more, then you become paralyzed, you don't know where. Then again 2 years is like getting up and knowing about things. So that is what education should be given, from the, like when you pass out your college and everything. Obviously this generation is different, what you all are doing, you all would be having your own charge, but what we have in our times, like we don't know, we just got married and we don't know about things, how things are going, everything, whether it is our own, life insurance or anything for bank account. Even till date, for many of my accounts and everything, I am dependent on my husband because I don't know about it. I am learning it about, I just had a passion and a risk-taking ability to start my own thing. But when it comes to this accounts and everything, I think after 2 to 3 years, I can say I know everything about it. But it took a long time.
Okay, thank you for answering the questions. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. Thank you for watching Business Saga. Stay tuned for more episodes to come soon.